Hey, what's up, people? Omo, boy, oh boy. If you're not holding Wakanda, you are on a long thing. Man, too many updates coming up on Wakanda in just few days back after its launch. Man, I'm going to show you a lot of things that are happening on the Wakanda token. And believe me, if you're not holding Wakanda, this is you about to miss the next big thing that will happen in the crypto space. All right, stick around. Let me take you through. So recently, the Wakanda Inu token got listed on most of the Nigerian exchanges, and the Wakanda Inu token is currently on CoinMarketCap, and the price is currently showing on Trust Wallet, and this led to a pump on the Wakanda Inu token, and more updates are still coming. So trust me, guys, when I told you that I'm super bullish on this project. All right, let me take you through. So we are going to check out Wakanda Inu token on CoinMarketCap. So where's my Chrome? All right, here we go. You see, this is the token on CoinMarketCap, and it's already showing it's on Binance Smart Chain. This is the chart showing you the 1 day price movement, and let's go down. Here you see the market cap. This is about $6 million. Yeah, and this is a fully diluted market cap, and it's ranking 2,937 on CoinMarketCap. Okay. This is good news. All right, let's check our Trust Wallet and see. Yeah, if you open Trust Wallet, you see the token. So you see it's now showing its price here. And if you click on it, this is the price here. And more updates are still coming. And let's check other updates. Let me go to my gallery. Let's see here. So Wakanda Inu got listed on Boundless Pay yesterday. This is it, Wakanda Inu listing announcement on Boundless Pay. And let's check again. Let's move to here. You see, you can now trade Wakanda Inu with USDT on OBX. You can trade it with okay, this is the OBS listing announcement. This is the trading pair with USDC. This is the trading pair with BUSD. And all right, I think that's basically it. So more news updates are still coming on Wakanda Inu, and other listings are coming up. The Celtic auditing, it's coming up as well, and token bond hasn't even started. Man, this is huge. Trust me, if you're not on this train, you're going to regret big time. And for all of you that have dumped your Wakanda Inu token or more, it go shock you now. All right. I remain Kaswini Ojuku, and I bring you updates.